Hello there everybody, welcome back to another quick fishing video. Today is how to make prawning bait. There's gonna be a few supplies you're gonna need. One of them is a bait jar. That's what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks like on the outside. Okay, but the original holes are definitely these holes right here. And the ones I drilled out are these ones. So you can tell it's quite a big difference. So, what are you gonna need when you go prawning? First off, you're gonna need to get your bait jar. And then you're gonna wanna go drill out about every second hole to kind of add more expulsion in the water. So the bait jars are actually for slow release, and typical cat food in a can, wet food, will be your fast release. These are the original holes right there, and these are the ones like drilled out. So this is about 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch, and that's what my old bait jar looks like. It's a new bait jar. It's basically the same. Get your cat food, dry cat food as a filler, and get your favorite prawn pellets. Supposedly these are already infused, okay? But we're gonna go add our filler because, you know, bait pellets are expensive. So that's what we do. We do a little bit of a filler. Couple Ziploc bags. You're gonna get some saran wrap, and then you're gonna get your favorite juice. I've had good luck using this Procure crab and shrimp attractant oil. You gotta shake it up. Just remember that if you leave this outside and it's cold, it definitely thickens up. So it definitely does not pour as easily. So what you're gonna do is take our pellet jars, put this right on the bottom to cover the bottom, and get the saran wrap about just underneath the threads. Take it and give it a wrap. So this is gonna prevent the stuff from leaking all over the boat. Okay, so make sure it doesn't drip. So just keep doing what I'm doing. Right there, and that's about right. Let's go ahead and put in our pellets. Maybe about a quarter of the jar, maybe a little bit more. Then I like to add this liquid. It already has stuff in there, but you know, I like to add just a little bit more. So there you go, a quarter. And then let it soak. You're gonna want to infuse the pellets and the dry cat food with that scent. And at the same time, you don't want to drip it out. Let's go add a bit more. Now we're about halfway up. Add some more. I'm sure there's many ways to do it, but this is how I've had success. We're about halfway up. Let's add a little bit more. Let's add some more juice. You see how it's getting kind of thick, guys? That's what happens when you leave it outside. Notice here that the liquid is coming off, but once it gets cold, it's gonna start becoming really thick, and that's what we want. Now that you've done that, let it sit for about an hour or two. Put it in this bag. There you go. Okay, we got one done. Let's go ahead and do the rest. Go ahead and mix it up. Once we're happy with it, we'll go back to refilling your jars. Now refill it again with the liquid, with the dry stuff. You're basically making like some sort of a bait lasagna. Okay, so we got 3. Typically run 4 traps, so let's do 4 of them. Like I said, the idea of this is to prevent it from spilling all over the boat and allowing the juice to saturate the bait without dripping all over the place. Of course, you can also pre-soak, but this is how I like to do it. Take the lid off, get your juice in there, more juice, more pellets. I like to fill it about 3/4 of the way up. There you go. There it is. Close the lid, and that's all she wrote. Put everything in the Ziploc bag. So once you've done all that, let it sit for about an hour or two to let it soak up all those good juices, then put it back in the freezer. Now it's the day of your trip. You're ready to go prawning. Where's your bait? In the freezer. Take it off, take off that saran wrap, put it in that bait cage, drop it in that water, and I wish you luck. Let me know how it works out for you guys. And just one last tip When you're done your fishing trip, remove the bait jar, leave the goods inside, put it back in the Ziploc bag, go home, apply that saran wrap method again, and rejuice it up, guys. That's all you need to do. Rejuice it up, top it off with more bait pellets, and you're ready to do the cycle all over. So I hope you guys liked that video. I wish you guys luck, tight lines, happy fishing. See you guys on the next fishing.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?